Hello learners, as you know, Envato Elements is a comprehensive digital asset subscription service that offers a vast collection of creative resources to designers, developers, and content creators. Launched by Envato, a leading online marketplace for digital goods, Envato Elements provides a one-stop solution for individuals and businesses seeking high-quality design elements, templates, stock photos, audio tracks, and more. Key features of Envato Elements include diverse content library, subscription model, commercial licensing, regular updates, user-friendly platform, collaborative tools, quality assurance. But when we see its price plan, it's expensive, especially for new creators. If we talk about Motion Array, it is a comprehensive online platform that provides a wide range of resources for filmmakers, video editors, and content creators. Launched in 2012, Motion Array has since become a go-to source for high-quality templates, stock video footage, motion graphics, and audio elements. The platform aims to simplify the creative process for professionals and enthusiasts alike by offering a diverse selection of assets that can be easily integrated into various projects. But it is also expensive for the new content creators. So how to get these elements in cheap price? Open SEOtoolscard.com and search for membership type. Select Envato Elements or Motion Array on very cheap rates for month subscription. After selection of your membership type, fill this form and proceed to next. Confirmation link will be sent to your email address. Open the email inbox and click the link below. It will proceed to open this page. Now click on code to copy or scan the QR to get code and start chat with Facebook Messenger for payment and to get access to your Envato or Motion Array Elements subscription.